This call of the common potoo differs from that of the northern potoo. These two species are identical to even the most avid birdwatchers, so it's their calls that separate the two. Potoos are highly nocturnal and hunt flying insects from perches. With that huge mouth, any food item is just swallowed whole. There's no time lost in smashing its prey to death. Beetles are their favorite food, but moths, grasshoppers, and termites are also eaten. Sometimes a small bird can fit into that extra wide mouth too. They have these little slits on their eyelids that let them see even when the eyes are shut. Even a good street mime has to stretch once in a while. The northern potoo lives in the tropical dry forests of Guanacaste, while the common potoo inhabits lowland forests of the Caribbean and southeastern Pacific areas. A single egg is laid, and both parents take care of the young, and it's often the male that gets daytime duty.